Offering history, culture, and plenty of iconic landmarks, London has a lot to offer visitors. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the ultimate London bucket list. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So firstly, visit the Tower of London. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Tower of London is one of the city's most famous landmarks. Visitors can admire the dazzling crown jewels, learn about its dramatic history as a fortress, prison and royal residence, and even meet the beefeaters who guard the grounds. Then you have to explore the British Museum. Home to millions of artifacts from around the world, the British Museum offers free entry and incredible exhibits. From the Rosetta Stone, Egyptian mummies and ancient Greek sculptures, there is plenty to explore here. For sweeping views of London's skyline, hop on the London Eye. The giant observation wheel on South Bank offers a 30-minute ride with panoramic views of landmarks like Big Ben and St. Paul's Cathedral. Next up, we recommend you see or try and even tour Buckingham Palace. The official residence of the monarch, Buckingham Palace is a must-see. Visitors can watch the changing of the guard year-round, and during the summer months, parts of the palace is open for tours. Just make sure to book in advance. Then, not too far away from Buckingham Palace is Hyde Park. One of London's largest and most famous green spaces, Hyde Park is perfect for walking, cycling, paddle boating, or simply relaxing. We then recommend you head over to Trafalgar Square to admire the art at the National Gallery. With masterpieces from artists like Van Gogh and Da Vinci, there is plenty to appreciate at this museum. It is also free to enter, making it a great choice for those visiting London on a budget. Often mistaken for London Bridge, we recommend now you cross Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge is a spectacular feat of Victorian engineering. Visitors can walk across, tour the engine rooms, and enjoy glass floor views of the Thames. Known for its lively atmosphere, Covent Garden is full of boutiques, street performers, artist markets, and excellent restaurants, making it ideal for shopping and entertainment. We also recommend you visit St. Paul's Cathedral. With its iconic dome dominating the London skyline, St. Paul's is a masterpiece of Baroque architecture. Visitors can climb up to the Whispering Gallery for breathtaking views inside. Seeing London from the water is a unique experience, so we also recommend taking a Thames River cruise. The river cruise passes by the Houses of Parliament, London Eye and Tower Bridge. We will leave a link to our favourite cruise in the description below. For family-friendly fun, why not head to the Natural History Museum? The museum features fascinating exhibits including dinosaur skeletons, a life-sized blue whale model, and interactive science displays. For more great museums, check out the Tate Modern. Housed in a converted power station, Tate Modern is one of the world's leading contemporary art museums. Check out the Picasso, Warhol and Hockney pieces that can be found here. Then explore Camden Market. The eclectic and vibrant Camden Market is famous for its alternative fashion, vintage stalls, street food and quirky atmosphere, drawing locals and tourists alike. For a bit of nature, why not head to Regent's Park? This royal park is home to formal gardens, wide open spaces, and the London Zoo. It's also a beautiful spot for a summer picnic or a canal side walk. For even more history, we recommend visiting the Victoria and Albert Museum. Known as the V&A, this museum is dedicated to art and design. Its vast collection ranges from fashion and textiles to sculptures and decorative arts, spanning centuries of creativity. Next up, we recommend taking in a West End show. London's West End is world-renowned for theatre, offering everything from long-running musicals like Les Mis to brand-new plays and productions. We will leave a link to some of our favourite shows in the description below. Made famous by the film of the same name, Notting Hill charms visitors with pastel-coloured houses, boutique shops, Portobello Road Market, and its annual carnival. The iconic Houses of Parliament and Big Ben are another must-see on your London bucket list. These famous landmarks on the Thames represent London at its finest. Visitors can admire their Gothic architecture from outside or take guided tours inside. For some luxury shopping, why not check out Harrods? The luxury department store in Knightsbridge is an experience in itself. From lavish food halls to designer fashion, Harrods is the ultimate shopping destination. And of course, you have to ride a double-decker bus. One of the most iconic London experiences, riding the red double-decker bus is both practical and fun, especially on routes passing Trafalgar Square, Westminster and Oxford Street. Then, not technically in London, but on the outskirts of London, so we are going to include it anyway, is the Harry Potter Studio Tour. This magical tour takes you around the set and design of the Harry Potter movies and can be found in Watford, making a great day trip from the city. There are various different tours available for this, so we will leave some of our favourites in the description below. For those that do love shopping, we also recommend heading to Oxford Street. This is London's busiest shopping street, packed with flagship stores, international brands and seasonal decorations that make it one of the world's most famous retail destinations. For incredible views of the city, we also recommend heading up the Shard. At 310 metres tall, the Shard is the tallest building in the UK. Its observation deck offers unrivaled 360-degree views over London. So again, just outside of London, Windsor Castle is the oldest and largest inhabited castle in the world. Visitors can explore the royal apartments, see St George's Chapel, and stroll through the charming town of Windsor. Whilst you are here, you can also head to Legoland in Windsor as well, a great place for families to enjoy, ideal for those summer months. And if you do love theme parks, make sure to also visit Chessington and check out our blog Theme Park 24/7 for guides on parks around the world. And finally, you can't visit London without enjoying a quintessential afternoon tea. This is an iconic London experience, with afternoon teas being enjoyed across the city, offering delicate sandwiches, scones, and pastries with fine teas. Some of the most popular are available at the Ritz and the Savoy. Again, we will leave a link to some of our favourite different afternoon teas in the description below. Still not convinced? Watch this video to find out the reasons to visit London. Then, for the things to know before you go to London, watch this video. We hope you have an incredible time in the city and stay creative.